Imagine turning your kitchen into a profitable USA business. Today, I will show you how to build a $10,000 per month soy candle brand starting with just wax, jars, and creativity. First, master the basics: soy wax, wicks, fragrance oils, and jars. Keep your costs low by buying in bulk from trusted USA suppliers. Test small batches until your scent throw is strong and consistent. Next, branding. Don't just sell candles, sell a lifestyle. Create labels that pop. Choose a niche, vibe like minimalist chic or farmhouse cozy, and design packaging that feels premium but affordable. Highlight Made in USA to boost trust. Marketing is where the magic happens. Use Instagram Reels and TikTok to showcase candle making behind the scenes. Partner with USA micro-influencers who love home decor. Build an email list with a freebie like Candle Care Guide USA Edition. Sales channels. Start with Etsy and Shopify. Optimize listings with keywords like soy candles made in USA. Offer bundles and seasonal drops to boost average order value.